Welcome to Bridgeport's Product Information on Demand. My name is Eric Sarasale. I'm the Technical Sales Manager at Bridgeport Fittings. Today we're going to see Bridgeport's new Universal Clamp Strap, a unique one-piece design that makes it easy to install and also saves on material cost. For example, a traditional project, 3/4 inch Liquatite, 3/4 inch EMT, 1 inch rigid, 1 inch rigid PVC, and lastly 3/4 inch flexible metal conduit would require 5 different part numbers. We were able to space and support with one universal clamp strap. So come on, let's see the difference a strap can make. Let's take a closer look. The universal clamp strap comes in 2 trade sizes. The UCS 75-100, 3/4 inch and 1 inch, and the UCS 50-75, 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. The one-piece design makes it that simple to install, securely support, and fasten to your surface. The UCS 50-75 secures 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch EMT, rigid, IMC, metallic Liquatite, non-metallic Liquatite, flexible metal conduit, and Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 PVC conduit, as well as a cable range of 0.710 to 1.10 steel and aluminum armored cables. The UCS 75-100 secures 3/4 inch and 1 inch EMT, rigid, IMC, metallic Liquatite, non-metallic Liquatite, flexible metal conduit, and Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 PVC conduit, as well as cable ranges 0.925 to 1.32 for armored cables. All products are UL listed and meet applicable national electrical codes for both Canada and the United States. As you can see, a simple thing can make a big difference. Bridgeport's universal clamp strap is easy to install and can be used in a multitude of applications. Just another great innovation from the Bridgeport Product Development Team.